morning, everyone. My name is Akaya. In this video, I'll be showing you how I do my client's hair. My client do suffer from alopecia. In this video, I'll be showing you how we do a crochet weave on her on a weaving cap. Right now, I am giving her a electric scalp massage. When I say these are the best, they are the best. This will get your hair follicles back flowing, the blood back flowing, and it will get your hair to growing. I love to do them on all my clients, especially the ones that has hair loss, edges, all that good stuff. I'm telling you, this works so good. If you are trying to get your hair to grow back, most definitely try a electric scalp massage. It's the best. And not only is it, does it feel good, it smells good. I am using peppermint oil. I'm using avocado oil, and I put a little bit of peppermint essential oil in it. So it smells so good. But again, I'm going to show you guys how I do her hair. Sit back, go get you some popcorn and enjoy this video. And if you haven't, if you will, guys, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And not only subscribe, guys, will you please, guys, support? Check out my videos. When you get the notifications, please press that notification button so you'll know when I upload all my videos, because I really, really need your guys' support. I am trying to hit that 100,000 mark. And I would like for you guys to help me get there. In this video, guys, I'll be showing you also how I sewed down her weave cap, because usually sometimes when you have hair loss, especially like at the top and all that portion is gone, you most definitely want to put something on it so it can be able to hold, because if not, the actual cap will come off. What I also do, guys, you'll see it. I'm going to be adding some elastic to it to give it some extra hold so she don't have to worry about it coming off at all. So if you are tired of wearing wigs, if you are tired of wearing head wraps, which is beautiful, all of them are beautiful, let me get you a crochet so you don't have to worry about taking your hat or your wig on and off. I can be able to sew it to your head. Contact me now. But again, go ahead and check it out. We are using Amazon hair. We are using 7 packs of the 6-inch Passion Twist hair. Okay. And I will put the link in the video description box as well. But again, go ahead, sit back, watch. Any questions, please let me know in the comments. Be blessed, guys. And I look forward to hearing from you, because I would love to do your hair. Okay. Okay guys, I am officially done. I will be coming out with a video to get more in depth of how I did the part. I just sewed a couple of passion twists down so it'll look more real in the front. You know, I don't show my client's face. So again, we will be making another video to show you more of that in depth. But it is done. It looks good. She is happy with it. Please guys, go ahead and comment below. Let me know how you like it. Here is the before. And here is the after. Comment below, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and contact me now. Bye.